got this foldable Ottoman, and it's really nice. This here, it's really cushioned, and it's real comfortable to put your feet on. And it flips over, and you can use it like a table if you like. And it's really cool because this thing folds down. But also, something that puzzled me, I saw that there was a combination right there. And I says, that looks like a lock. Well, it is. It's a lock. And you put the two zippers in there, lock it, and then you get a they tell you how to do the combination. Why you'd want to do that unless it's for a dorm or something, I don't know. But it zips open. And you flip it open, and it has a little area here. It's got a little pouch you can put stuff in. And it's got a pretty deep storage in there. And the nice thing is you just pull this out. This is the bottom to keep it together. And then it folds up all flat like that. And zips around. And then you put...
Everything? Yeah? Okay. But what do you love about Hallie?
What I love about Hallie is her positivity, how she's always positive. Like, there could be